We're gonna make an outlaw onion ring casserole. Get it nice and browned up and get that grease drained. We'll go on to our next part. All right, once you got that meat nice and browned up, we're gonna throw in a packet of onion soup mix, as well as cream of mushroom. Get that all in there, and then we're gonna throw in about a half a cup's worth of sour cream. Making our creamy meat mixture here. Just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Garlic powder. I love garlic, so I'm doing a generous little helping of it. Some salt. And some pepper. And then you just want to get all that nice and mixed together till it's all creamy. All right, now that we got that nice and mixed together, we're going to bring it over to our baking dish. All right, and then we're going to dump it here into our 9x13 baking dish. It's going to be our bottom layer of our casserole here. Get it nice and evenly spread over the bottom. All right, once you got that nice and evenly spread on the bottom there, we're gonna throw in about 3 cups worth of tater tots, frozen tater tots, just enough to cover that meat layer there. All right, we got our tot layer on there, nice and spread around. And then we're gonna throw 2 cups of cheddar cheese over the top of that. That's a 16-ounce block that my wife shredded up for me.
That's right.
Thanks, sweetie.
Of course. This is her.
I'll bet. That's a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
All right, get that nice spread over the top of them tater tots. And then last but definitely not least, the main star of our recipe, we're going to throw some onion rings on the top here. If you want, you can get whatever kind you want, but I recommend getting these thick cut. I got some Red Robin ones. You can get whatever kind or brand you want. Pardon all the baby noises that our daughter has joined us for today. All right, we got our final onion ring on the top there. So now we're going to throw it in the oven. We got it preheated to 375. We're going to put it in there for 35 to 40 minutes. And this thing should be just about ready. All right, let's check on this thing. Woo, them things looking crispy and melty and golden and good. I'm loving that oniony smell. Oh, that looks so good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let this thing cool off so I don't burn my mouth off, and I'm gonna try this thing. All right, let's give this thing a try. Look at that thing. Yum, yum, in my tongue. Wait to try this. Okay, I'm just gonna dig right in. Oh, that is tasty. The onion ring mixed with the meat, with the taters, with the cheese. Oof. If you're looking for a flavorful casserole, ooh, it just packs a good flavor punch. Try this. Trust me, you want to try this at home.